Recognizing the importance of social proof can empower creators to implement strategies that enhance their visibility and credibility. Many creators find themselves grappling with the struggle of attracting views and subscribers, often feeling overshadowed by larger, more established channels. These challenges can stem from a variety of factors, including limited visibility in search results, a lack of social proof, and the difficulty of standing out in a sea of content. Small channels often face the daunting task of not only creating engaging content, but also ensuring that it reaches the right audience. This can lead to frustration and discouragement as creators pour their time and energy into videos that fail to gain the attention they deserve. Understanding the concept of social proof is crucial for small channels looking to grow. Social proof refers to the psychological phenomenon where individuals look to the actions and opinions of others to determine their own behavior. In the context of YouTube, this means that potential viewers are more likely to click on videos that already have a significant number of views, likes, and comments. This creates a cycle where established channels continue to thrive, while smaller ones struggle to gain traction. To address these challenges, it's essential to explore effective methods that can help small channels escape the struggles they face. In the upcoming sections, we will delve into 4 key strategies that can significantly aid in channel growth. These methods will not only focus on improving content quality, but also on leveraging social proof to attract more viewers. By understanding and applying these techniques, small channels can begin to build a loyal audience and increase their chances of success on the platform. Whether you're just starting or have been creating content for a while, these insights will provide valuable guidance on how to navigate the complexities of YouTube and foster a thriving channel. With the right approach, small channels can overcome their initial hurdles and pave the way for sustainable growth and engagement. Social proof is a psychological phenomenon where individuals look to the behavior and opinions of others to guide their own actions, particularly in uncertain situations. In the context of YouTube, social proof manifests in various forms, such as the number of views, likes, comments, and subscriber counts a channel has. This concept plays a crucial role in shaping viewer trust and perceptions, as potential viewers often rely on these indicators to assess the quality and credibility of a channel. When a small channel lacks substantial social proof, it struggles to convince new viewers of its value, creating a significant barrier to gaining traction. The psychological impact of social proof is profound. Viewers are more likely to engage with content that appears popular or well received by others. This creates a cycle where established channels continue to thrive, while smaller ones find it increasingly difficult to break through the noise. For instance, when a viewer encounters 2 videos on the same topic, one from a small channel with minimal views, and another from a well-known creator with thousands of views, they are more inclined to choose the latter. This preference is often driven by the assumption that higher view counts equate to better content, which can be discouraging for smaller creators trying to build their audience. Established channels benefit immensely from social proof, as their existing popularity attracts even more viewers. For example, a channel with a large subscriber base can quickly gain thousands of views on a new video simply because viewers trust that the content will be worthwhile. Additionally, when viewers see a high number of likes and positive comments, they are more likely to engage with the content themselves, further enhancing the channel's visibility. This creates a snowball effect, where the initial success of established channels leads to even greater success, making it challenging for smaller channels to compete. To counteract these challenges, small channels must find innovative ways to build their own social proof, such as collaborating with other creators, engaging with their audience, and consistently producing high-quality content. By understanding the dynamics of social evidence and its impact on viewer behavior, small channels can develop strategies to enhance their credibility and attract a loyal audience. Identifying and leveraging your unique strengths is crucial for standing out in the crowded landscape of YouTube. An unfair advantage refers to a distinctive quality or skill that sets you apart from others in your niche, giving you a competitive edge. This advantage can stem from various sources, such as personal experiences, specialized knowledge, or unique perspectives that resonate with your audience. By recognizing and utilizing these strengths, you can create content that not only showcases your individuality, but also attracts viewers who appreciate your unique approach. Successful YouTubers like Ali Abdaal and Nisha exemplify how leveraging personal advantages can lead to significant growth and engagement. Ali Abdaal, a former doctor turned productivity YouTuber, capitalized on his background in medicine and education to provide valuable insights on studying, productivity, and personal development. His ability to break down complex topics into relatable and actionable advice has garnered him a loyal following. Similarly, Nisha, known for her engaging cooking videos, draws on her cultural heritage and culinary skills to create content that is both authentic and relatable. Her unique perspective enables her to connect with viewers on a personal level, making her channel stand out in a highly competitive market. These examples illustrate that recognizing and embracing your unique strengths can lead to a more authentic and engaging channel as you embark on your YouTube journey. It's essential to reflect on your own experiences and skills to uncover your unique edge. Consider what makes you different from other creators in your niche. Do you have a particular expertise, a unique storytelling style, or a passion that drives your content? By tapping into these strengths, you can create videos that not only showcase your personality, but also resonate with your audience. Optimizing your content for improved algorithm performance on YouTube is crucial for enhancing visibility and attracting a broader audience. One of the most critical aspects of this optimization process is understanding that quality should always take precedence over quantity in video production. While it may be tempting to churn out numerous videos in a short time, focusing on creating high-quality content that provides value to your viewers will yield far better results. High-quality videos are more likely to engage viewers, leading to longer watch times, which is a key factor in how the YouTube algorithm ranks content. When viewers find your videos informative, entertaining, or inspiring, they are more likely to share them, subscribe to your channel, and return for future content. Another vital component of optimizing your videos is the use of searchable titles, relevant keywords, and engaging thumbnails. Your video title should be clear, concise, and include keywords that potential viewers might use when searching for content related to your topic. This not only helps your video appear in search results, but also gives viewers a clear idea of what to expect. Additionally, crafting eye-catching thumbnails can significantly impact your click-through rate. Thumbnails serve as the first impression of your video, so make sure they are visually appealing and accurately represent the content. A well-designed thumbnail can entice viewers to click on your video over others, increasing your chances of gaining views. Consistency and niche focus is equally important for improving algorithmic recommendations. By consistently producing content within a specific niche, you help the algorithm understand what your channel is about, making it more likely to recommend your videos to viewers interested in that topic. This focused approach not only attracts a dedicated audience, but also establishes you as an authority in your niche. Furthermore, engaging with your viewers is crucial for optimizing your content. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging discussions can foster a sense of community around your channel. This engagement signals to the algorithm that your content is valuable, leading to improved recommendations. Recreating successful video concepts can be a powerful strategy for small YouTube channels looking to gain initial traction. The idea of outliers refers to those exceptional videos that perform significantly better than the average, often capturing the attention of a large audience and generating substantial engagement. These outliers can serve as valuable benchmarks for aspiring creators, providing insights into what resonates with viewers and what strategies can be replicated to achieve similar success. By studying these standout videos, you can identify trends, themes, and formats that have proven effective in your niche. To effectively leverage this strategy, it's essential to locate high-performing videos from your competitors. Start by researching channels within your niche that have successfully garnered views and subscribers. Look for videos that have received a high number of views, likes, and comments, as these metrics indicate strong viewer engagement. Tools like TubeBuddy or Vid.ai can help you analyze video performance, revealing insights such as watch time, audience retention, and engagement rates. Pay attention to the topics, titles, and presentation styles of these successful videos, as they can inspire your own content. Once you've identified these high-performing concepts, it's crucial to analyze and adapt them while maintaining your originality. While it's tempting to replicate a successful video exactly, it's vital to infuse your unique perspective and style into the content. This not only helps you stand out, but also ensures that your audience connects with your authentic voice. Consider how you can put a fresh spin on the concept, perhaps by adding your personal experiences, incorporating humor, or presenting the information in a different format. Additionally, think about how you can address gaps or questions that the original video may not have covered. This approach allows you to provide added value to your viewers while still drawing inspiration from successful content. Remember, the goal is not to copy, but to learn and innovate. By analyzing what works for others and adapting those concepts to fit your unique style, you can create videos that resonate with your audience and increase your chances of gaining traction. Ultimately, this strategy can help you build a solid foundation for your channel, paving the way for future growth and success on YouTube. In the competitive YouTube landscape, creating eye-catching titles and thumbnails is crucial for standing out in a saturated market. With countless videos vying for viewers' attention, your title and thumbnail serve as the first impression, often determining whether potential viewers will click on your content or scroll past it. An engaging title paired with a visually appealing thumbnail can significantly improve your click-through rates, making it crucial to invest time and effort into crafting these elements effectively. One practical method for testing the effectiveness of your titles and thumbnails is to utilize A/B testing. This technique involves creating two variations of a title or thumbnail and then measuring their performance over a specific period. You can use tools like TubeBuddy or even social media platforms to share both versions with your audience and analyze which one garners more clicks. By comparing metrics such as click-through rates, viewer engagement, and watch time, you can gain valuable insights into what resonates best with your audience. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your strategies and make informed decisions about future content. Encouraging creativity and experimentation is also vital in improving your titles and thumbnails. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and try different styles, colors, and fonts to see what captures attention. As we conclude our discussion on overcoming the challenges faced by small YouTube channels, let's recap the 4 key methods we explored to help you gain traction and expand your audience. First, we emphasize the significance of understanding and leveraging social proof. By recognizing how the popularity of your content influences viewer behavior, you can implement strategies to enhance your visibility and credibility. Second, we discuss the importance of identifying and utilizing your unique strengths. By tapping into your personal experiences and skills, you can create content that stands out and resonates with your audience. Third, we emphasize the importance of optimizing your content for improved algorithm performance. focusing on quality over quantity, using searchable titles and engaging thumbnails, and maintaining a consistent niche focus are all essential for improving your chances of being recommended by the algorithm. Finally, we explored the strategy of recreating successful video concepts. By analyzing high-performing videos from competitors and adapting those ideas while maintaining your originality, you can create content that attracts viewers and builds your channel's reputation. Now that we've covered these valuable strategies, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of taking action. Knowledge alone won't lead to growth. You must apply these techniques consistently to see results. Start by implementing 1 or 2 methods at a time, tracking your progress, and adjusting your approach based on what works best for your audience. Remember, growth on YouTube is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn from both successes and setbacks. As you embark on this journey, I encourage you to engage with this community. If you found the insights shared in this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and strategies on growing your YouTube presence. Your support through likes and shares not only helps us reach a wider audience, but also fosters a community of creators eager to learn and grow together. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on future content that can further enhance your channel's growth. Let's work together to overcome the challenges of being a small channel and turn your passion into a thriving YouTube presence. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the following video.